the first chamber was the first visit of a delegation of either the first or second chamber in some time, and so we were really looking forward to it. Um, the visit, the format of the visit was they came to the island the day before. They did some touring on the island, and I think a few of them went on a hike or so. I wasn't there, unfortunately. And then the Monday, there was I guess I would say a stakeholder with the island council members and the executive council members. We all sat with them and expressed what we saw as the major issues on the island. So they were civil servants there that gave presentations on the economy, on nature, on climate, on energy. There was also a discussion about poverty. There was a presentation on poverty from the social domain, and also about tourism. And basically, after each presentation, there was a discussion on, what we see as the issues that are impacting that and what they could do to help move the agenda for the islands along. So I think it was very fruitful discussion, I must say. I think the forum was one that allowed us to engage in a positive way and have good interactions, and it didn't really come with much, I guess, opposition towards the ideas that we had from either side.